Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Etoro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on your money, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to your money deposits, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean your money deposits notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.